Mooted in the year 2013, the 17,000 acres Naivasha Special Economic Zone is meant to turn the lakeside town into an industrial hub, offering investors cheap geothermal power, connection to the standard gauge railway line, as well as numerous tax holidays. The SES will host facilities such as the Inland Container Depot, whose construction was launched last month, and a railway marshalling yard.
The running of the zone will be, obviously, there will be a special purpose vehicle created between Special Economic Zones Authority and the investor that will be running the place, because the place can't run without government. So that institution is the one that will oversee the running and then even the recovery of the maintenance and the recovery of the money, so that the investor gets back their money.
Other facilities include a logistics zone and a public utility space which will act as a tourist site. After years of delays, the government says the compensation of the Kendong area communities, which had hindered the project implementation, is now complete, with phase 2 expected to take 3 years to construct.
The government is not putting in any money. Apart from doing the roads and the power lines and all that, it's not putting any money. So government will not be recovering money directly there. So there is no government investment in the industrial park itself. Remember, there is the roads and the logistics center, but the industrial park where you are putting the buildings and all that is not government investment, it's private money.
Danish Brewing Company, who are the makers of Carlsberg, Tuborg and Holsten, among other beers, will pump 5 billion shillings to put up a modern brewery.
So we'll be working with over 17,000 Kenyan farmers to grow sorghum and barley all through the country to ensure that the product we make is truly Kenyan with a Danish heritage brought to us by Carlsberg and Tuborg brands.
China Construction Engineering Company has been contracted to develop roads, sewer lines, among other infrastructural projects. In September this year, Cabinet approved a 7 billion shillings package to be invested in the Naivasha Special Economic Zone. O'Brien Kimen for Business News Hour.